Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, has basically avoided to break below that 85.50 level that I mentioned over the last few days as absolute important support level there. Basically this swing low down there, but either way, even with a wick below, you would not have a sustained break. So these support levels did hold so far, and I explained to you in the last video that it might come that way, that Bitcoin makes another low. Okay, Solana, we were down here somewhere around, I don't know, $94, $95, and I explained, okay, in this range we still have a little bit of space. Okay, so it could still drop a little further, for example with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin then starts its B wave, maybe, but only maybe, Solana might start its Y wave. Here I've labeled it as a WXY pattern. Solana might start its Y wave to the upside, Y wave to the upside. But I mean, it certainly dipped together with Bitcoin, and we expected one more low for Bitcoin. Well, that happened. And also, yeah, I mean, here also we've seen a bit of a recovery of that swing low, the Friday low that was formed at, $87 pretty much. But it's not enough yet to say that, yep, we have started, let's say, this Y wave off wave 5 towards $135. What would need to happen for that next? Well, minimally, I mean, first of all, yes, it's a nice recovery, but we need to see a break above this swing high, this one here, which is the Friday swing high at $95.40. Could actually be a bit of an inverse head and shoulders pattern there. Then a break above the next resistance level. It's actually a bit of a range there. See these previous swing highs. So we need to see a break above the $103.50 level. And then going forward, price would need to take out $108.50, which is the 4th of January high, and the $116.40 level. But by that time, we're already broken out of this range here. So Solana still has the ability to move up in this white count, to put one more extension in place in the third wave. It's really, I mean, a lot of these coins at the moment are sort of between two scenarios. Maxing out a short-term bullish one. I mean, not maxing out, but maxing out support basically. Really testing support, going quite deep into support in a short-term bullish scenario without really invalidating it. While at the same time, obviously not breaking down enough to give us really clarity about the move to the downside. And again, that just represents a lot of uncertainty, a balance of forces, and price action remains ambiguous on this lower time frame. I think the bottom line is we still haven't broken support in a way that I will say, okay, the yellow count is definitely in control here. We still keep the door open for higher, and a sustained break below 85.50 will open the trapdoor into this orange support area as explained in previous videos, where we will have support at $79.30, $59.40 and $47, even though I'm not suggesting the price will go down to 47. It could in this scenario, but it would be a very, very deep wave 4. So I don't suggest the price will go down to that level. And yeah, until we finally get a breakout here, the market continues to move in the range. Seems like a little bit on the rollover side. Okay, so I mean that dip today really maxed it out. So any sustained break, I mean below the Friday low, is gonna shift probabilities towards the yellow count. Even though, let's assume Bitcoin starts its B wave and avoids another low, because Bitcoin's pattern is quite clear at the moment. Let's say Bitcoin avoids another low, and it absolutely could have completed its A wave today. Then we might see a little bit of a recovery rally, and definitely the white count might benefit. When things look as if they roll over in crypto, often they take the other turn. So I just want to, so all we can do is focus on the levels really, and understand that the current range is still a bit ambiguous. So no surprises basically since the last update, but also unfortunately not really much more clarity. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.